Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about cocaine. And I'll put a link to this article in the description for the video. Cocaine, the main drug in almost 40% of addiction treatment cases last year. Cocaine was the main drug in almost 40% of cases of treatment for problem drug use last year, according to a report by the Health Research Board. There was a record figure of 13,295 cases treated for problem drug use in 2024. There was an increase of 7.4% in the number of cases where cocaine was the main drug, now accounting for 39.8% of all cases. There was also an increase of 21% in the number of cases where benzodiazepines were the main drug, up to 13.4% of all cases. There was an increase of 4.1% in people using more than one drug at the same time, up to 60% of all cases. We have to face up to the wide prevalence of problem drug use across society and provide appropriate services to meet the health and social needs of the diverse population groups who use drugs. So, it's interesting. I put out a video just a couple of days ago and somebody got somewhat upset and said, well, where did you get this information from? Well, first of all, I got it out of an article, okay? And I try to report on things that I find in the news that are relevant to the work that we do. And I put a link to those articles in every description for the video. So all you do is click on read it. Now, this one individual wanted to sort of challenge us or challenge me on, the accuracy of the survey. Fine, but understand something. I make these videos for families out there who are in crisis, who are in chaos, who are sick and tired of being sick and tired because they have a loved one who has a long-standing, history of drug use and mental illness and treatment that doesn't work if they'll even go. They won't take their medications that have been prescribed. They've been a guest of the state through either the criminal justice system, meaning they've been arrested, or they've been a guest of the state through the mental health system. They've been Baker Acted, or there's even been an overdose. So that's the chaos I'm talking about. And while I'm more than happy to get into an academic debate with you about the accuracy of the information that's contained in a survey, that's not what I'm here to do, okay? If you just want to have an academic debate with me, you can post in the comments. I'll read everything. I try to respond the best I can. But I am talking to the families out there who are in chaos, not people who just who are upset because they don't like the fact I've complained about marijuana use and kratom use and alcohol use, right? Because from my perspective, and I'm not trying to tell you shouldn't do any of this stuff. We're all free adults. I'm just telling you what I see as a lawyer who has been sitting in this chair for the last almost 11 years now, trying to save families. So understand where I come from. So if you're a family out there and you are tired of the chaos and you want to have a different outcome, we'd like to talk to you. Let's talk about what options may or may not be available to you. And if there's an issue going on in your family, and I've not made a video about it, and there's about 1,000 of them on YouTube now, but maybe I missed something, I want you to post in the comments. I will make you a video. I'm trying to get you the information that you need. And if it's affecting your family, I'm sure it's affecting somebody else's, so let me know. Additionally, in the description for the video is a link to our new book about the Marchman Act. I spent a ton of time, of energy, resources, money, writing a book for you all about the Marchman Act. And if you click on the link in the description for the video, it'll ask you for your name and your email, and it will send you a link to the book, and you can download it for free. In addition to the actual book, each chapter has a video where I'm talking to you. I'm even in a shirt and tie. How about that? And I'm walking you through some of the steps to the process and the emotional feelings that go along with trying to save somebody. And I make this for free, and I'm working on all kinds of other content. Again, to give you value, to give you the information that you need so you can decide if you want to pick up the phone, if you want to have a different outcome. So please, additionally, please give me a thumbs up. This helps with the algorithm. It helps us to get this content in front of more people so we can save more families. So please, if you can, I'd appreciate it. And additionally, if you want more of this content that I make every day, please subscribe to the channel. With that said, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.